Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another Practice Better hack video. Did you know that you can collect ongoing recurring payments in Practice Better? This hack video will walk you through how to use the recurring payment feature to facilitate additional revenue streams for your business, such as memberships or subscription services. So this is a really great strategy to help achieve your revenue goals for your business and also support your clients on an ongoing basis without adding a ton of time or administrative work to your plate. So we're going to today look at two examples of how you can use recurring payments in Practice Better. And before we start, I want to mention that the recurring payments feature is available on our professional plan and up. So our first example I'm going to talk to and then show you in a moment here is a monthly maintenance coaching program. So this is just an example of something you could offer to clients who say have completed a coaching program with you or a package with you, but who could benefit from some continued support to help maintain their health goals, but with less touch points or time investment from you likely at a lower price point. So I'm going to set this up actually as a package because I want to include a couple things in this. So I want to include a monthly coaching call as well as access to a meal planning membership. So to set that up, I'll go to my practice, my services, and head to my packages here. So I already have this set up, monthly maintenance coaching program, and let's go in and edit that. And I'm going to show you how to set up those recurring payments because again, I want this to be an ongoing monthly fee for access to one group coaching session per month, as well as my meal planning membership and associated community chat. So let's scroll down here under payment options. This is where you want to navigate. And we're actually going to select the ongoing payments pricing model. So you have two options in Practice Better, the fixed fee or ongoing payments. In this case, again, we're wanting to set up a monthly recurring fee. So we'll set that up with ongoing payments. And this is just prompting me that I need to set that payment plan up. So we'll do that now. So here are sort of the settings to set this up. So let's say we want to charge clients $75 per month for this access to this, coaching program, this maintenance program. So we'll have this repeat monthly every 1 month, but you could change that if you wanted to set up a recurring payment plan to recur weekly or daily. You can change that as well as you can change the cadence here, but we want them to be charged every month. So we'll leave it at that. You can also update the time that you want the payments to trigger at. If you want to change that, you could. And then this next box here is going to allow us to customize the payment plan description if we'd like. So right now it just defaults to $75 every month. But if you select that, you could always come in and edit that field if you want to put different copy there. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and go save. And now we've set up that recurring payment plan. We can also go to preview payments here to make sure that this all looks good to us in terms of how we set it up, just to give us a bit of a snapshot of when the payments will be going through every month. If that looks good, we can close that. And you can always come in here anytime to edit that. If you need to. You can also set up multiple payment plans if that made sense for you as well. But in this case, I just have one option for this, this package, which is the $75 every month for that maintenance program. So I'm just going to scroll back up here and go to package information. And I just did want to show you, in case anyone doesn't know how to use a package, that in order to add those coaching sessions and the membership program to the package, you do that here under sessions and services, where I've added the group coaching session. As you can see there, you can also add multiple sessions if you wanted to add, maybe you wanted to give them access to one-on-one session as well. You could always add something like that. And then under programs, I've added my membership, which I have set up as an evergreen program. Again, you could also add multiple if you wanted them to have access to multiple as part of that package. And the great thing with including these in a package is that as soon as they purchase the package, Obviously, they're going to have that ongoing payment plan set up for them, but also they'll be automatically enrolled in the program too that you have included here. So you don't have to manually enroll them at all. Okay. So that is our first example, as simple as that. So I'm just going to go ahead and go save changes here. And that's all set up. Another example that I wanted to highlight on how you can use recurring payments in Practice Better is with a membership program. So we kind of looked at that because we included that as part of this package, but I want to show you that on its own as well. So I'm going to head to my Practice My Programs. As I've got this set up as a recipe and meal planning membership program. So I'm just going to scroll down here and I have that set up right here. So let's go in to edit that. And I'm just going to scroll down here. And to set up the recurring payments for this membership, again, we're going to select ongoing payments. We'll set that up. And let's say we want to charge just $20 a month for this one. Because basically what we're giving them is access to, a resource library of recipes, which is updated monthly, but they're not as part of this getting, access to any live calls or anything of that nature. It's just simply to that library of recipes. Okay. So we'll leave that at $20. Again, you could always update the cadence if you wanted to, but again, I'm going to leave it at once a month and we'll go save there. And now you can see we've got our payment plan set up, $20 every month. We can preview that to make sure it all looks good in terms of when those payments will be charged, the schedule. And that's about it. So one thing I did want to highlight too, just at the top here of the advanced options tab is, if as part of your membership, you wanted to offer access to a group chat or, a community group, then you can actually enable group chat for your Evergreen program. And that will automatically enroll anyone who signs up for your membership into a group chat. And so that's a nice, aspect if you want that community piece, because it does add that additional value to your membership. So that, is something you could consider adding as well. All right, so let's go ahead and go save. And that second example is all set up for our membership. So I hope those were two helpful examples in sharing, really how easy it is to use the recurring payment feature in Practice Better to facilitate a few additional revenue streams and, kind of diversify some offerings in your business. Let us know below what you think of this hack and how you plan to use this feature.